Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be doing a quick review of Temu, but before we start there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Temu deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. Temu is a global online marketplace that offers a huge variety of products including electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty products, tools, pet supplies, and accessories. The platform is known for its extremely low prices and frequent promotions, making it popular among bargain hunters looking for affordable products. One of Temu's biggest strengths is its pricing. Many products are available at significantly lower prices than what you might find on other online marketplaces. The platform also runs frequent sales, flash deals, coupons, free shipping offers, and reward programs that can make purchases even cheaper. The wide product selection is another major advantage. Whether you're shopping for household items, gadgets, fashion, or gifts, Temu offers an enormous catalog with thousands of options across nearly every category. The app and website are also easy to navigate, with customer reviews and product photos helping buyers make purchasing decisions. However, product quality can vary considerably because items come from many different sellers and manufacturers. While some products offer excellent value for the price, others may not match the quality shown in promotional images. Shipping times can also be longer than local retailers, especially for international deliveries. Temu is generally best suited for shoppers who prioritize affordability and are willing to carefully read reviews, check product descriptions, and manage expectations based on the price. For low-cost everyday items, accessories, and simple household products, many buyers find the platform offers good value. Overall, Temu can be worth it for budget-conscious shoppers looking for inexpensive products and frequent deals. The key is to research products carefully, read customer reviews, and focus on items with strong ratings and detailed feedback. If you're looking for discounts, Temu regularly offers new user promotions, coupon bundles, flash sales, free shipping offers, referral rewards, seasonal sales, and app-exclusive deals. Checking current promotions before placing an order can often lead to significant savings. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Temu deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.